Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I can't believe we're saying this, but we're going to be unboxing the April box of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I just got this today in the mail. This is my PR box for April and it's still like March 30th. It's March 29th. No, it's March 30th. March 30th. And we're already getting the April box. So let's go ahead and just dive on in, guys. Okay, so just in case I get questioned on what I'm wearing my eyes today, I actually just did a full review of the Odin Eye Cosmetics, so you guys will see that video hopefully tomorrow, if not the day after. But yeah, I cannot believe that we got this Ipsy box already. This is insane. Typically, it arrives within the first week of the month, but it got here super early, so I honest to God have no idea what's in here. I don't know what the bags looks like. I don't know what the spoilers are because I think it was on like the first or second of each month. You actually get to pick 3 out of the 5 items for your box. I don't know what we're getting. I'm so excited. So if you guys don't know, Ipsy does gift me this PR box every single month. So thank you so much. And this includes the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. Now I know for a fact that Glam Bag Plus is 5 full-size items with a retail value of $125 plus. And typically you get to pick 3 out of the 5 options for your customizations. And then I think for the Ipsy Glam Bag, it's just $12 a month and you get 5 deluxe size samples in there. Sometimes you get full size. It just depends, but I'm excited to dive in here. Now, I will preface this and say that the last couple of Ipsy PR boxes really haven't been that great. Though I'm extremely grateful to the company, I'm still going to give you guys my honest opinion because I still pay for these boxes myself and I'm still a consumer at heart. Like, I'm never going to view myself as this influencer. I'm never going to view myself as this influencer, so I'm still a consumer and I'm just an average Joe Schmo. So I'm right here with you. Alrighty, I'm so nervous, but I'm excited. Okay, so here we have the Ipsy Open Studios. This is for me. And the first thing we've seen here is this bucket hat. Oh my God, y'all. Okay, let me take this out for a second. I have not seen a bucket hat in so long. Oh my God, force of nature. Guys, I haven't owned a bucket hat since I was like in 4th grade. This used to be the rage in the early 2000s. If you guys have watched Lizzie McGuire, you guys have seen Lizzie McGuire wear bucket hats like there's no tomorrow. This was the style, this was the rage, and this is all I ever wore throughout elementary school, and I haven't worn it since. Oh my gosh, I can't make out a bucket. This is awesome. Wow, I guess I gotta go fishing, huh? Force of nature. You know, it's really not that bad, but the only problem, it's white. Okay. Now, I wear makeup. And what happens when you wear white and makeup? Oh, you get a lot of foundation everywhere. You guys should see my winter coats. So, it's already starting. This is what happens when you wear a bucket hat. Oh, guys, I had a rough night. No, but that's cool. That's really cool, though. Like, I really appreciate that. Oh, my God, that's awesome. Thank you guys so much. That brought me just so much joy. Oh, my God, that's silly. Now, another thing that I see in here, this is the silliest thing to be excited about, but we got an umbrella, and it's yellow. It can match my yellow rain jacket that I have. What? Oh, my God. Okay, guys, I know this is bad luck, but oh, my gosh. It says Ipsy. Raindrops keep falling on my head. This is so cool. So as a Floridian, I could really, really appreciate this because I have to buy a new umbrella pretty much every single summer because we get torrential downpours every summer, like horrible thunderstorms. It is what it is. I have a girl that if it's raining, I don't care. I still go out. I still go enjoy my day. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen people at the grocery store just standing there waiting for the rain to let up. I'm that bitch that just goes, it's just water. And I just keep walking through. But I have gone through so many umbrellas because sometimes you get really bad wind gusts and the umbrellas just go flip. And I'm like, well, there it goes. So I really appreciate this. And it's yellow. It's going to match my raincoat. It matches my nails. This is so silly. I'm excited over an umbrella because I literally was just at Target yesterday and I was looking at the umbrellas and I was like, I really want a cute one, like a really cute polka dotted umbrella and yellow and All right, tubular, dude. That's awesome. That makes me excited. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna dig into this bag right here. Now, I do not think this bag is cute whatsoever. Honestly, when it comes to Ipsy, majority of the time, I never enjoy the bags. I'm like, these bags are just so ugly. And typically, I tend to give away the bags for my No Waste Wednesday, which, speaking of which, I have failed. You guys, I have not delivered a No Waste Wednesday yet. Wait, when's the last Wednesday? This Wednesday's last Wednesday, but I have so much content to film for you guys, and I haven't even had time to separate everything. But I did get a huge box of makeup in from a wonderful patron member of mine. Her name is Kimberly Ashmore. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna have a really, really big No Waste Wednesday for April. So I may not have, so I'm not gonna have one for the month of March. I'm so sorry, but for April, it's going to be a massive giveaway. So I'm so excited for that, guys. But typically when it comes to that, I tend to put these in there as well with all like little small sample stuff. So here we have the bag. It actually has a nice sturdy texture. And we have a lot of goodies in here. So the first thing I see is the Tatcha Watercream. Oh my God, it is just so cute. It's a little bitty. And I've seen people just being so obsessed with this water cream right here. I've heard amazing things about this one. I think it was like one other one. And this one is a pore perfecting Japanese wild rose from normal to oily skin. Ipsy, are we listening? I've been told to try this one out so much because this is for oily skin. So that is so exciting that Ipsy like listened. Ipsy, you're putting me in such a good mood. Next we have a Milk Kush Mascara. Ooh, that's just chunky. It's a little chunk mascara. Well, you know, look, that's the size of my damn eyeball. Well, you know, I will give it a go. I will try it out. It sucks that like they already come unwrapped because these are the type of situations that if it was like in the box, I would just put it to a No Waste Wednesday, but it's already opened. I'm like, oh, damn. I don't even think I'm giving them used products because I'm not. Next, we have a Turmeric and Vitamin C Clay Mask from You Glow Girl. This is made in Australia. I don't know why I did that accent. I don't know why that's not an Australian accent. That's English. Okay, so this is for all skin types. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin. Avoid eye area. Let dry and rinse after 10 minutes. So it's called My Skinny Mask, and it's from Australia. Oh, that's cool. Does it have a nice little smell to it? Oh, bitch, you've got to stop doing that. Oh, it's yellow. It looks like baby poop. Oh, God, it smells like clay. Ugh. Ugh. No, no, no. That smells stunky. Next, there is a Hydro Serum. Hydro Hair Serum. This is for your hair. An essential dose of added nutrient and finishing touch for immaculate, invisibly healthy hairstyle from morning to night. So you apply this to damp hair or dry hair. Alrighty, that's cool. Ooh. Okay, next. They put so much in here, guys. It's not even funny how much is in here. Next, we have Living Luminizer from RMS Beauty. I've never heard of this brand, I don't think. Ooh. It's stinky, too. What are you? Application. Highlight cheekbones, bridge of nose, inner corner of the eyes, center of the eyelids, and cupid's bow for dewy finish. Oh, okay. So it's not like a highlighter, just like a luminizer. Oh, shit. I shouldn't have touched that. That's cool, though. It's like never ending in here. Next, we have the new the Pill All-in-One Serum. Everything your skin needs in a single dose. 27 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, and hyaluronic acid in tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. Ooh. Oh, good God. You smell like vinegar. It smells like vinegar. It's like fish and chips. All right, last but not least, we did get this really cute itty bitty Bare Minerals lip balm. So it's a lip gloss balm in this shade Sincerity. This is a lot of like minis in here. Oh my God, look how cute that is. That's so cute. Let's swatch that. With a very, very sweet smell. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. So in this little mini bag, again, the only problem I get in the PR stuff is I never know like what is in the big box, what's in the small box. We got the Bare Minerals. We got this stinky vinegar serum. We got a hair serum. We got a clay mask from Australia. I gotta stop doing that. We got a luminizer and we got the water Tatcha cream right here. This is really cool. All this came in this little bag right here. So if I paid $12 for this, I'd actually be really freaking happy. Okay, moving on to the big bag. We have the Santa sack, the infamous Santa sack right here. I hate this thing. I hate that they don't actually give us a big bag. Like, I wish they would. I don't even know if they do. Do they still do Ipsy Ultimate? Because if they do, like, that was just a joke. But I think this is ugly. Okay, so one of the things I see in here is this item from Item Beauty. This is Light Sauce. This is a balancing gel moisturizer for oily to combo skin. Oh my God, is Ipsy watching my videos? They might be watching my videos. Okay, so this lightweight gel moisturizer hydrates and balances skin with glycerin, tiger grass extracts, butter, and ceramides to replenish natural moisture, won't clog pores or leave any greasy feel. So you guys actually told me that the reason why Item Beauty is featured inside Ipsy so often is because it's actually the sister brand to Ipsy that they actually, like, I guess co-own or something that has to do with this. But I know this is Addison Rae brand. I say that lightly, but that's why they're always featured in here. Now I think it's cool because this is for oily to combo skin, and if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know that I notoriously get products for dry skin. So to get something for oily skin just automatically just brings the biggest smile to my face. So I'm like, finally they're listening. So here we have Light Sauce. Now I've not tried too much from this brand. Here we have the product. Doesn't really have a fragrance to it, which I'm completely fine with, but I'm definitely gonna have to give this a go. I'm always down to try anything that has to do with oily to combo skin, because anything I can do to help control the oil, especially living here in Florida, you guys best believe that I will be doing that. Speaking of that, guys, if you guys do not follow me on TikTok or IG, please go follow me. You guys can find me at Allie Dawson 89. But yesterday on TikTok and on Twitter and on Instagram, I made a video where I talked about the new like native deodorant. Everybody raves about native deodorant, okay? I have decided to give it a go. I tried it out all last week. I went hiking in Georgia. Guys, I've never stunk more in my entire life. Like every couple hours I'm like this. Oh my God. Like the smell was horrendous. I had such bad BO and I'm like, this is horrible. Like people rave about this product. Like I got it because like Laura Lee loves it so much. And I'm like, okay, well she loves it. Let me try, give it a go. Guys, it smells like pure shit. Like the smell of deodorant smells amazing. But after a couple hours, I should not be smelling my bad BO. It was so bad and it's so gritty and I did not enjoy it. It was not a fun time hiking through the waterfalls in Georgia smelling like pure shit. Because my husband's like, oh my God, Allie, you stink. And I'm like, I know, I can smell it too. So I wanted to love it, but I did a video yesterday where I talked about what am I doing wrong? And so many of you guys actually reached out to me in my DMs and let me know that apparently you're supposed to like detox your armpits first. Like you're supposed to put a detox clay mask on your armpits so it can draw out all the impurities. And I'm supposed to give it like 2 weeks before I can actually start seeing it working with my pH balance in my body. Guys, I'm trying. Look, shaved my armpits yesterday. It's a little hairy. Don't care. But, I'm still kind of stinky. I do have detox clay mask, but damn it. I want to love it, and I can't. I don't know what brought that conversation on. Okay, so next, I got a Cocoa Kind Oil to Milk Cleanser, prebiotic cleanser for soft and replenished skin. So this just seems to be some sort of cleanser. It doesn't say if it's it says it's for all skin types. Oil to milk cleanser. I'm not really the biggest fan of oil to milk cleanser. The one that I've tried more often than not is the Ren skincare cleanser, where it goes from like an oil to like a milk to like an actual like cleanser, and I can't get into it. I know it's not supposed to leave you feeling greasy, but after I wash my face with it, I have to go in with another cleanser and actually cleanse my face because I just feel like it's so greasy on my skin. Now, some people do love it, and that's amazing for them. I wanted to, just like I wanted to love the Pharmacy Green Cleanse Makeup Remover Balmer, whatever that thing is. It just makes my face feel so greasy, and I just cannot get into it. So I want to try this because it is an oil to milk cleanser, but a lot of times when it starts off as an oil, I seem to can't get rid of the oil. I don't know if it just has issues messing with my skin or what. So I kind of want to try this. So this is what I'm going to do. If I get a second one in my own pay-for box, I will go ahead and keep that one. If not, I'm probably going to put this into my No Waste Wednesday because I just don't want to try it and hate it and then just waste the product. I do not want to be wasteful at all. So this one's kind of a, I don't know. So maybe I'll look up some reviews on this and see how well it is. But it's really cool. I like that. I like that they're trying, but no. Okay, so last but not least, we do have the Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette right here. So let's see how this looks. It's just not my color scheme. Honestly, there's probably nothing wrong with it. It's just definitely not my color scheme. Obviously, I'm not a nude bitch. I'm a color whore. So it's hard for me to like be like, oh my God, this looks so pretty. When I just in reality, I'm kind of like, it's just a neutral palette to me. So I'll definitely be putting this into my No Waste Wednesday just because I know I'm not going to get a use out of it. Okay, so that seems to be everything in the big bag. It seems I only got 3 full-size items out of 5. I don't really know what else they would consider 5 unless they throw in like the hat and the umbrella. Maybe that's 5 items, which you know what, I can be okay with. But overall, looking at this entire box, surprisingly enough, I'm actually really happy with it. I don't know, it's just because I love the fact that I got a hat. I got a yellow umbrella. I don't know, that's super cool. I love this little bag right here. There's just so many items in here that I'm like, oh my God, this is so cool. Like I like that I got the Tatcha Watercream, some of the serums in here. Granted, this box is mostly full of skincare. You guys know how I feel about skincare, but I think the reason why I'm happy about it is because it's skincare geared towards me. It's geared towards oily skin, and that makes me so excited because I always get products geared towards dry skin. So the fact that it's finally towards oily skin, I'm like, yes, I'm actually really, really happy about this. So, Ipsy, thank you so much for gifting this to me. I'm so excited. I cannot say thank you enough. I cannot wait to see what the choices are. I think they open up April 1st or April 2nd where we get to pick 3 out of the 5 items. But yeah, I'm happy with this. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you guys did, please be sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. A huge thank you to all these beautiful Patreon members right here. Thank you guys so much for everything you guys have done. I cannot say that enough. And to you guys, my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribe, you didn't subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Hey guys, what's up? I screamed that at you. Tatcha cream. We got the water. Okay, so in case I get questioned of where to, I'm definitely going to. So if you guys don't know, Ipsy does gift me PR every single month. So thank you so much, Ipsy. If you guys don't know, Ipsy, oh my God. So I was supposed to get, but taking a step, so I don't really know. So, okay, so that's, honestly, for the majority of the time when it comes to Ipsy's, I never, ow, my fucking finger was in there. We got a clay. I'm gonna run them. I'm just for oily skin. So, I got an umbrella. Oh, I have got to stop doing that. Oh, Allie.